Hello guys, welcome to the new video, the best indicator for scalping. The day trading is very quick taking decision when to entry and when to exit. If you are taking entry and exit at wrong location, then at the end of the day your loss become more. Also in day trading, if you are holding any stock or index more time, then it could be loss for you many times due to the market volatility and uncertainty of the market move. Then what to do? It is better to do scalping. That is, in you have to take entry at right location and also exit at right location within a minimum time, that is 3 minute to 30 minute time, and also with a good profit. That is, your trade entry and exit duration should be between 3 to 30 minutes and not more than that. In this indicator, buy and sell point show every very clearly. If you can back test and practice this in paper trading, then in real market it will be a profitable indicator for you. You should strictly follow the indicator buy and sell signal with the stop loss. I am going to show you a custom indicator and also explain the strategy in TradingView platform, which is the best indicator for scalping me ever. Let's go for the TradingView chart. This is the TradingView chart of Nifty 50 in the 3 minute time frame. Okay, in this there is no indicator for scalping. The indicator I have said that the best indicator you have to go for the FX here and search for here as super trend, SUPR, super trend. Search as a super trend. Okay, then you have to find the super trend. Right, this is the super trend that is by Kevin C. Uzbelgic. Okay, it is already liked by 15,798 people. You have to select this. Okay, see. Here the signal. This is the chart of 9th October. You see, this is a 3 minute chart. 3 minute chart. In this, here seeing buy signal, then sell signal, then here buy signal. Okay, your stop loss should be below this mark. Okay, it is in this chart it is showing late signal. Here, buy signal is showing here, but after that it is going for sell. Okay, then sell signal is showing here, but after that it is going up. Here showing buy signal here, so much late. Okay, for that I am change in this with code. You can see here the code by moving up here. Okay, in this is the code. Okay, go for the code here. You initially it is blank. I have already clicked it previous, for that it is showing. You have to click in this source code. Okay, then go to the chart. Okay. This is the code. Here you see that here it is the default value in period input ATR period. The input is showing 10 period. For that it is showing late signal. I have to compare. Then you have to set it to period 1 only. Then it is so it is give you the early signal. Okay. I have modified it to default value is equal to 1. You have to copy this total code. Okay, like this you have to copy, Control C, copy. Okay, then you have to write for new code here. You have to cross here. You have to click here. Then you have to go for the anything else like view uptake. Okay, this is the code, but I don't record any code. Okay, then so go for the new code here. This is not required now. You have to refresh now, reload. Okay, reload is coming like that. You have to cross this. Okay, then in this you have to write the code. You have to code like that, copy and paste here, Control V. Okay, you have to paste here. You have to, these are not required. You have to remove this. Okay, remove all the code, and here the value you have to set is 1. Okay, then you go for save button, name anything, trend new. Okay, save, then script is saved in your login. Okay, then you, you can use this in your add to chart. Okay, in this you see the signal now swing to early signal. See here, this is by signal, it is giving early. Cell signal here, it is giving you early. Previously it is giving you late. Okay, now it is giving early. One have to close. Okay, okay, then here entry should be here and the exit should be here. Here green candle means you have to exit here. Okay, then your next entry should be your buy signal. Here you buy here, your entry should be here, and always stop loss should be in this step. Okay, then when go to the this, your stop loss is in this step. Okay, you have to wait until it will cross. It is crossing here, then you have to exit here. Or if your profit target is complete, then you have to exit. See here, send signal here, giving you the sell signal, then you have to exit here. Another strategy I have approached in this, when you see the signal, first time you see the sell signal, then you have to wait for some time, 3 up to 10, sometime up to 3 minutes or 6 minutes. When the price come to this, near to this, your stop loss level near, here is the stop loss. Okay, then when it is come to near this, then you have to exit, you have to entry there immediately. Then when away from you, yeah, or your stop loss should be above the step. This is the step, your stop loss, just above this, or stop loss should be in this line also. Okay, then your exit should be here. This is the wick is cross here, then your exit where. Then next entry should be buy signal here. Your entry should be here. Okay, or here it is come to near about the line, then your entry should be here and exit should be here. Or you can take entry here, it is near to this line, then exit here. Okay, this is the scalping. In scalping you have to take quick decision. If you take buy entry here, then your target is your profit target is complete here, then you immediately exit within how many minutes? Fast, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, within 30 minutes. It is 30-minute trades. You can exit within 30 minutes. You take here means your entry sell entry is here, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 18 minutes. In 18 minutes you have to exit immediately. This is the scalping trading. Okay, this is the 3-minute time frame platform. Now in next I have to show you the 5-minute and 15-minute. Wait for the next slide. Okay, so this is the bank nifty chart. Okay, previously I have shown you the nifty chart. This indicator you can use in nifty, bank nifty, or any stock like Reliance. You see here Reliance, HDFC. It will work for all stock and indexes. This is Maruti. Okay, now we are checking for the bank nifty chart. Here the same day, 9th October. Here the buy signal is here. Here it is going up, up, up. Okay, when it is cross this, you can giving a sell signal here, cross the support line, this step line, then you have to exit. If you are extending, then you go for the 5-minute. I have show you the 5-minute chart. Okay, in this chart, so see that the buy here, buy signal, but you don't take entry here because it is going low. When it is come to the near to the strategy is when it is come near to the line, the green means buy signal and the red one is the sell signal. It is green side. Yes, here green side, it is red side means sell signal. Okay, it is showing green side and by writing the buy signal also, then you have to wait for the when the price come to near about the step, the green step here, then your stop loss should be minimum. Your stop loss should be very minimum. How to check the stop loss? Risk reward, you go here long position. Here you have to, your entry should be here and your stop loss should be below this. Okay, okay, then your stop loss here, your entry should be here, and you can target up to this, yeah, up to when it is not touching to the line, up to this you can target. Then your risk reward ratio is, see the risk reward, wow, 8.78 means 1 is to 9, 1 is to around 1 is to 9 risk reward ratio. Then how it is work? You see this indicator is a world most and best indicator for trading. Anyone can trade, only you have to follow the risk reward. You have to put just stop loss below here, and you have to trailing the stop loss the step. When it is going here, then you have to stop loss here. When it is going up, your stop loss is here. Like this you have to follow the stop loss, then nobody can stop you to profit in the market. You have you are become a profitable trader. Okay, then I am showing you the 15-minute chart here. You can see any day. You take any day, such the any day you will take. Okay, yeah, this is 28th. See, this is the 25th. You take 25th. This is 25th September. Okay, in 25th September, here buy signal is show, but the is coming, but you have to wait for the near about. But here send signal also here. Then you wait for another signal. This is the buy signal. Okay, then don't take here. When to take entry, just near about the line. Okay, it is the near about the line, then you can take entry here in this candle. Okay, this candle or this candle you have to entry, and your stop loss should be below here, and target should be as you want. Okay, this step your stop loss, if here then stop loss here, if this price is here, your stop loss here. Then if you are don't exit as assuming, then you have to here, if you want to your stop loss hit, if you then you are put your stop loss below here, then the exit should be here. But if you to analyze your profit, then you can exit also here, like this. It is going up, and you can position sizing, you have to re-entry here and exit here, like this. Okay, this is the 5-minute chart. Okay, how it is giving sell signal, buy signal. It is working very good for me. You can back test it, and you can practice with the paper trading, and you can back tested it. Then you can see the signals, and then when you are comfortable, then you can trade. But it is not you, if you take trade, then it is your own risk you have to take. I am not suggesting. If you are any take any trade, then you have to consult your financial advisor. Okay, then show your 15-minute chart. In this 15-minute chart, it is any time frame it will work. If you are doing uh, day trading or positional trading, then you have to go for 15-minute chart. Or also you go for the investment, then you go for 1 day chart or weekly chart. This 15-minute chart, see here in 9, it is giving you signal your entry should be here, and you can exit here. Simple. Okay, your stop loss should be in this line or below this line. Okay, like sell signal, here sell, here giving you sell signal, you take sell signal here. Okay, then your trailing stop loss here, and your exit should be here only, it is crossing. Okay, like this. For this is for day trading, and for positional trading you go for half 30 minutes chart or 1 hour chart here. For swing trading you go for 30-minute chart. You buy here, then sell here, giving sell signal. Buy here, it is giving sell signal, then sell here. Okay, sell here, then it is showing buy signal, buy here. Your entry should be here and exit should be here. It is very easy then. Okay, you see 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart here. Here now your buy signal is here, but there is no sell signal still yet. You can hold now up, up. It is up 9th, 9th and 12th. You can hold, you can also hold now, it will go up. Okay, it is, it is positional trading or swing trading. If you want to take more, then you want to for investment purpose, then you go for 1 day chart. 1 day chart here, for 1 day chart for 1 day chart, Bank Nifty will go for investment. You can take stock like Reliance. You take Reliance. Okay. Here the buy signal is showing here. Okay. Your entry should be here. Then if you're giving it a sell signal, then you exit here. No issue. This is your profit. Okay. You can trailing your stop loss here, then here, then here, then here. It is giving sell signal. Just exit. Okay. Then you can take buy here. It is April, May, June. 2 months sufficient. Then it is giving in June buy signal. Your entry should be here and your exit should be here only. Then after when it is giving buy signal, buy it, and giving sell signal, sell it. No issue. See, this is the buy sell signal of 1 day chart. You can for long term. You see 1 week chart also. See here 1 week chart. Here buy signal is here. You can hold till now. Okay, there is no sell signal. Okay, your entry should be 1105 and your profit here 2233. You can also hold, no issue. See how it is work. It is very simple and very easy to use, very user friendly. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for uh, the videos, more videos like these videos more. Okay, thank you. Bye.